But if you use this breaded method for air frying fried chicken, damn, it's so good. I promise you guys. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese Food Recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some air fryer fried chicken wings using the breadcrumb method. Garlic fried chicken wings in the air fryer. So here's my air fryer, the Philips XXL. Over here I've got just 6 wings. I'm just going to make 6 wings to test this method out, if it works in the air fryer or not. So this is my first attempt and hopefully it goes well. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Hey guys, so here is my chicken wing. Just a normal chicken wing over here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it. So first I'm just going to slice it in half here just to open it up. You don't want the full chicken wing in the air fryer because some parts won't be cooked nicely. So we're just going to open the chicken wing into 2 pieces like this. Then now I'm just going to give it a few slices like this just to open the wing up, and also in the center of the bone over here. So that once it's opened up, we can coat it nicely with flour and the breadcrumbs, and then you'll get a bigger piece of chicken wing to eat instead of this little small piece over here. Okay, so the wing over here, just gonna give it a few slices. Don't slice it so hard or else the meat will come apart. And in the center of the chicken wing here, give it a quick slice, just like that. So you opened up the chicken wing more, and then when we're air frying this, we'll know that this chicken wing will be well cooked. Because when we're air frying this, we don't want to air fry the chicken wings on high temperature, or else the coating that we make on this chicken wing will burn up, and yeah, that won't be good. And then for this, the wing part of the chicken wing, same thing in the center. Just gonna slice it open here, give it a few slices near the bone, just like that. Just open up the wing like that. Okay, so I'm going to do this for the rest of the chicken wings. Okay, my last wing here. Let's chop it off. Quick slices. Open up the chicken wing thigh here. Here's the wing. Okay, there you go. Just open up the wing. Okay, let's marinate this. Okay guys, let's marinate our chicken wings. A few chicken wings over here, just 6 wings. Okay, so first let's give it a quick sprinkle of salt. Then a quick sprinkle of white pepper. Oh yeah guys, before this recipe continues, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just remember, if you're having a lot of wings, you'll have to add in more salt, pepper and sugar and all the other rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. This is a must if you're making Cantonese air fryer fried chicken wings over here. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed garlic, store-bought crushed garlic. Okay, let's drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce. Okay, drizzle a little bit of soy sauce, just like that. Let's drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. If you don't have, you can add in some brandy, or you just leave it out completely. Next, a little drizzle of sesame oil and a little drizzle of olive oil. There you go. Okay guys, let's mix this up. This method, we are using breadcrumbs, so we won't be cracking in the egg in here. Okay, so we give that a good mix. And lastly, we're just gonna check if your bowl is a bit wet. So as I can see here, I didn't add in a lot of sauce and all that stuff, so it's not that wet. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of cornstarch just to thicken up the sauce, and then also for the sauce to stick onto the chicken wings while it's marinating. So over here I've got half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Give that a quick dust over here. I think that should be enough. Now you just gotta give that quick mix. Okay, so you give this quick mix. I can see that the sauce has thickened up, and it's also all the garlic and all that sauce is sticking onto the chicken wings over here. Okay, you want it to be a little bit saucy because we're going to be coating them in flour. Okay, so just like that, we're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes for it to marinate. Then I'll show you guys how to coat them, and we'll pop them into the air fryer. Okay guys, so my chicken wings over here has been marinated for 30 minutes. Just give that a quick mix. So yeah, let's make this breadcrumb fried chicken wings over here. Garlic fried chicken wings, okay, in the air fryer. Okay, so over here I got some cake wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour. And then here I got just an empty bowl. So first I'm going to be coating my chicken wings in this flour, and I'll place it in this bowl over here. Once all the chicken wings are done, I'm going to dip them in this egg mixture over here. This is just 2 eggs that are whisked up. And then yeah, once it's I dip it in, I'm going to coat it with some breadcrumbs. Store-bought breadcrumbs, or you just use some old bread and you just put it in your food processor and you make yourself some breadcrumbs over here. Okay, let's do this. So first I'm just going to coat all my chicken wings in this flour. Just give it a quick dust. Just using my teaspoon over here. Just give it a quick dust, doesn't matter. Quick dust, and just place it in your other bowl. Just like the wing over here, put the flour there, quick dust. You don't need to like coat it fully, just give it a quick dust of flour. And just place it in the bowl. Okay, I'm going to do it for the rest of the wings. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just dusted all my chicken wings with some cake flour over here. As you can see, just a quick dust. Now I'm using a pair of chopsticks over here to coat these chicken wings in the egg and the breadcrumbs. So let's do this. So I suggest to do this one by one. Here's my breadcrumbs over here. Here's my egg mixture. Just gonna dump these in here. I'm just gonna put 2 pieces at a time. Okay, just give it a quick coat. Now the egg will stick onto the chicken wing here, and you just dump it into your breadcrumbs like that. Just give it a quick drench in the egg mixture. Dump it in your breadcrumbs. Here's my breadcrumbs. Just gonna twist it around the breadcrumbs here. Just like flip it around, just like that. You don't need to squeeze it or anything. Just let the breadcrumbs do its job. Once it's not sticky, then you know it's right. Okay. Once it's not sticking to my chopsticks, then I know it's right. Then there's enough breadcrumbs from the chicken wing here. I'm just going to get my pan over here, my tray. See that. Place it onto my tray. Check that out. Okay, I'm gonna do this for the rest of the chicken wings. Okay, my last two wings over here. But guys, if you're gonna be using your hands, it will be a bit sticky for your fingers. You always need to wash your hands. But if you're using some chopsticks, it'll be faster. Because when you're using chopsticks, you can see it also creates this gooiness on the chopsticks. Pretend these are your fingers, and you're just gonna do this. You're just gonna scrape it off, like just like that. Scrape all that doughy stuff off without dirtying your hands, and yeah, voila, just like that. Okay, so it's well coated nicely. Just doing that. Okay. Place them on my tray here. Now we just gotta let this rest for about 5 minutes. Let's settle before we air fry this. Okay guys, this is my breaded chicken wings over here, garlic chicken wings that will be turned into air fryer garlic fried chicken wings over here. So okay, so for these chicken wings, we're just gonna pop them into the air fryer, layer it nicely. Okay, once they are layered, we just gotta get cooking spray. Let's go give a quick spray here. Then we're gonna air fry this at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, check these wings out. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, it's crispy on the outside here. Let's give these wings a little flip. And let's give that another quick spray. Another 10 minutes at 180. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, let's check this out. It's been 20 minutes now. Okay, wow, looking good, looking good. Let's check that. Very crispy, crispy. Nice. You can hear that. Check that out. Looking very good. But I'm gonna pop them in for another 5 minutes. Just gonna give them a flip, because I still see a bit of like chicken wetness in the inside of the chicken wings over here. So we're gonna pop them in for another 5 minutes, and then it should be ready. But to the sound of this, it sounds very, very crispy. But this time I'm not gonna give it no air cooking spray. So another 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, ready. Wow, very crispy, 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 crispy chicken wings here. Check that out. Wow, breaded garlic fried chicken wings here. Without that seed oils, the unhealthy oils that we all don't like. Let's plate this up. It looks a bit dry, but hey, this is the healthy way of eating fried chicken. Okay, let's check that out. Breaded, air fried, garlic fried chicken here. Wow. Okay. Hear that? Let's give this a taste. Okay guys, check at this. Breaded fried chicken wings, air fried garlic breaded fried chicken wings. Without that seed oils that we all don't like, that makes us fat. Very healthy and delicious. Okay, I still have to taste it to see if it's delicious. Okay, let's give this a bite. Okay. Grab a wing fry over here. Hear that guys? It's crispy. Let's give this a bite. I know that you guys don't, in the previous fried chicken videos you said that You don't like to hear me chewing, but I got to chew this, make that noise just to see if this is crispy or not. Let's eat. Let's check that out first. Look at that. Let's bite. This is so good. For air fried chicken, guys, use this braided method. My previous video, that was just like a coated method, which was also nice and delicious and crispy. But if you use this braided method for air frying fried chicken, damn, it's so good. I promise you guys. It's so hot. The inside as well. And I just sprayed a little bit of oil. Damn, I'm gonna be making a lot of this to eat for fried chicken. Damn, it's almost like deep frying, that kind of taste. So delicious. So guys, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And also hit that like button for this video. Thanks guys for watching.